Question 10d is another question. It is independent of A to C because it said that it is a new different fertilizer, different scenario. So the normal distribution is different, mean is 98.6, standard deviation is D, and then the interquartile is 4.82. So remember what is the interquartile, so now we have to think distribution. So the mean is 98.6, and within the interquartile range, okay, 25% is here and 25% is there. And you remember normal distribution is symmetric, so this part is 2.41. And it means that for all the value smaller than x, the probability is 25%. So you use the inverse normal function and you find out the c value corresponding to x is set is 0.6745. It is a minus smaller, and this thing is the difference x minus mu over d, so this equals 2.41 over the standard deviation d. So what's the standard deviation? So it's 2.41 over 0.6745. And then use your calculator and you'll find out it is 3.57. Very good question, full of concept. I'm sure you can do it. Well done.